Hello everyone, a warm good morning to you all. Welcome to Edutainment. So yet again we are going to see the current affairs of 22nd April. That is what we are doing Monday to Friday. जो current affairs होते हैं that on a daily basis we are doing. And since Saturday and Sunday are off, I'll be taking you through the current affairs of a little bit of Fridays and this Thursdays. The most important 10 top MCQs we'll be discussing in this session. So without wasting much time, let me start with this session. But before that, I have a small request to you all. I request you all to please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as the Telegram group, so that whatever sessions that we are conducting, you will not miss out on the notification. On the same time, whatever content that we are uploading on the Telegram, you'll not miss out on the same. That would be really very helpful for your exam preparations. Okay, with this, let me start today's session. Now, very recently, Plum Insurance Study, which is one second. Now, which is an insure tech platform it is, like education के लिए edtech ऐसा होता है, same insurance companies के लिए insure tech platform provides services for the technical services, tech related, digital tech related services. So here this has come up with a study, Plum Insurance Study, that is state of employee benefits. So state of employee benefits 2024. So this was a study that they have come up with, as part of which they have highlighted few important points, mostly focusing on 6 key aspects. Now from that I have picked this statement. So the median sum insured in group health insurance companies increased by 66%. There has been 110% surge in companies offering comprehensive health care. Term life insurance is gaining prominence among unicorns with 75% coverage. Now you have to tell me which of these statements are true. This is the title of the report, and yes, all of these options are true. That yes, it is increasing the median sum insured. It is increasing especially the sum insured for group health insurance policies provided by corporates has increased by 66%. जो पहले 3 lakhs का होता था group insurance by the corporates, that has increased to 5 lakhs. That is on a medium basis. And flexible benefits adoption has also doubled. That is, we are talking about state of employee benefits. So how the employees are being benefited by the corporates, that is what we are discussing here. So when we talk about this group insurance, many a times it would not be, it's not flexible. That is, whatever the company is adopting, that the employee has to take up. But here very recently it has been observed, a trend has been observed, that the adoption of insurance programs by these corporates has been personalized. That is, employees has flexibility to personalize this insurance policies, that is उनके हिसाब से, उनके फैमिली के नीड्स के हिसाब से, and it indicated 100% increase in this. Maternity benefits offered by companies have also seen a 15% rise. They are now giving that maternity benefits to the women employees. Companies offering comprehensive health care, including preventive and primary care, have surged by 110%. So here with all this we can infer that the companies who are, for their employees, they are coming up with various initiatives, especially in this group health insurance policies, so that they can cater to the requirements or needs of their employees. And chief human resource officers of various companies, they were primarily concerned with the absolute spending of employee benefits and reflecting a shift in focus towards optimizing benefit cost. ऐसा नहीं कि बस दे दिया है, they are trying to optimize whatever benefits that are being provided to the employees. And जैसे उनका job role है या फिर the kind of hierarchy in which they are, accordingly they are trying to optimize the benefits. This is what this sentence has to say. And yes, term life insurance is gaining traction. Term life insurance में क्या है, you will get in this majorly it would be in such a way that the person, whoever the beneficiary or the insured person, they have to pay the money, okay, yearly, half yearly, whatever that is, and if anything happens to them, the lump sum amount, that is the insured amount, would be given to their family. If nothing happens, there won't be any payout here. Okay, but yes, the premium would be very less, affordable only, but it would be a huge benefit to the family in case of any adverse situation that they might face. Okay, moving on to our next question. Very recently, Sheikh Ahmad Abdullah Al Ahmad Al Sabah has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Kuwait. This is the news that was present. Now, what is the capital and currency of Kuwait? See, many a times you must have seen that in exams, especially banking exams, regulatory bodies में पहले होता था, but now the very less kind of question, these kind of questions are being asked, like capitals and currencies of various countries. Where would they pick up? They would pick that from these regular current affairs only. So whenever you come across any country in the news, be it in any case, कोई भी न्यूज़ हो सकता है, फाइनेंस रिलेटेड और वॉर रिलेटेड, कोई भी न्यूज़ हो सकता है. प्लीज़ नोट दैट उसका जो भी उस कंट्री का, वॉट एवर दैट कंट्री दैट इज़ बीइंग हाईलाइटेड, kindly go through the capital and currency of that country. See, when you do that, rather than going through all the capitals and currencies of various countries at a time, if you can associate the capital and currency of that particular country with the news which is in current affairs, you will have a high recall value. जब एग्जाम में आपको बहुत आसानी से वो याद रहेगा. And here in this case, the capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City, and the currency is Kuwaiti dinar. And when we talk about this Kuwait, the official name of the country, it is actually, उसका meaning है Arabic में the sail ship. Okay, the state of Kuwait or Daulat al Kuwait. See, over the sail ship. Okay, yes, moving on to our next question. Which of the following Indian banks made it to the list of top 50 banks by assets? कितने assets उसके हिसाब से in the Asia Pacific region in 2023. Very recently the report has been launched. Overall world का मार्च में हुआ था, and Asia Pacific region का भी recently हुआ है, according to the report that has been released by the S&P Global Market Intelligence. Yes, the 3 Indian banks that made it to this list, top secured positions in the list of top 50 banks by assets in the Asia Pacific region for the year 2023. Why? Because of their exceptional performance when compared to their peers in Asia. And what are the performance that they have done exceptionally well? Improvement in the financial metrics, robust credit growth, and again, while providing impetus to the economic environment in the country, all these have contributed to the increase in bank assets in the recent years. And the top 3 banks that we are talking about include the SBI, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Okay, these are the one that have gained. See, robust credit growth in a thriving economic environment contributed to the increase in the bank's assets in recent years. The aggregate assets of Indian lenders experienced a significant surge of 50.5%. So in a year, it has increased by 50%. And according to data by Reserve Bank of India, credit growth also stood at 14.9% in the previous year, as reported by the S&P Global Market Intelligence. Moving on to our next question. Very recently, SBI Life Insurance has conducted hackathon जैसे एक होता है ना, आइडिएशन टाइप का, related to the ideas and problem solving. उसी तरह से they have come up with an initiative called as Ideation X. Now you have to tell me what exactly is it for? What was the objective behind running this? Now this is an initiative aimed at focusing or to promote innovation in life insurance. So what they have done is they have encouraged, through this initiative they have invited unconventional solutions to the problems that life insurance sector is facing. Okay, objective is nurturing innovation in the life insurance. So here they invited the upcoming leaders from various premier B schools all over the country to brainstorm unconventional solutions that can address the changing demands of the consumers in the insurance industry, as part of which more than 1,000 students, they have participated in this event, and out of which there is an B school from Bangalore, that is XIME. Okay, and this has clinched the title of winner in this Ideation X 2024. Okay, yes, moving on to our next question. Now, what recent step has the Reserve Bank of India taken regarding gold hedging options for residents? Gold hedging क्या होता है? That we are anticipating that in future gold price would go up, accordingly they will invest in that, कि in hedges, no, they hedge against that कि increase होगा. That options एक होता है जहाँ पे either we say that will anticipate that इसका price कम होगा, okay, किसी भी asset का, that in case of share market for example shares का लेंगे, a particular share they'll select, they say that options, it's called options rather than regular trading, it's a kind of trading only. So in that they'll say that this particular, the value of this share will go down, so accordingly they will put that amount as an investment ki kam hoga. So if really it goes down, then the amount that the person has that purchased that points, that will increase, thereby he will earn. And on the other hand these options में एक और होता है कि they'll hedge that the prices will go up of this particular share, okay, accordingly the points they will invest on the points that are already available in the market. वो एक options वाला पूरा setup ही होता है where you can invest your money anticipating based on the market cues etc. So here in this case gold hedging options भी एक है feasibility. Now RBI ने very recently it has introduced a new what you'll say expanded its gold hedging options for the residents, owing to the fact that gold prices are increasing and it is being anticipated that gold prices would reach close to $2,700 for 1 ounce. That is 1 ounce is equal to almost 28.349 grams. So 28.35 grams you can consider, close to. So they are expecting this gold price अभी बहुत ज़्यादा है, more than 70,000 per 10 grams currently. Okay. Yes, what is that they are doing? So almost 2.2 lakhs. 2.2 lakhs पर अगर on an average हम लोग 80 to 83 भी लेंगे per dollar, so per 28.35 grams. So they're expecting it to go high, because of which RBI has given permission to use over-the-counter derivatives for gold hedging. Now what is this over-the-counter derivatives? Now derivatives generally whenever they have to be done, it should be through a regulated market, okay, through a recognized traded, that is on exchanges. But over-the-counter derivatives, here these can be traded out of exchange trades also, okay. So here in response to this, to the gold and anticipation of gold price this year, RBI has expanded the options for resident entities to hedge against gold price volatility in international markets, not only on exchanges but out of exchanges as well, which is called as over-the-counter derivatives. See, previously resident entities were only allowed to hedge their exposure to gold price risks on exchanges, that too within the IFSC recognized by the International Financial Services Center Authority since December 12, 2022. Now, the resident entities can utilize the over-the-counter derivatives alongside the derivatives that are traded on exchanges within the International Financial Service Center. This is to manage risks associated with the fluctuations in the gold prices. Okay. Moving on to our next question. Very recently, a new model of services has been launched in Bengaluru, that is Nammayatri. Sorry, just give me a second. Yes, Nammayatri. It was launched in Bengaluru. Now, what is this based on? What is this model based on? Nammayatri, it is a Bengaluru based mobile app which has initiated cab services in Bengaluru. Now, this works on on the pricing regulations that have been established by the government of Karnataka, that says that they should work on the zero commission model. Okay, through the zero commission model, and here they offer diverse range of vehicles in its fleet to cater to varying customer preferences, including non-AC minis, sedans, XL cabs. Why this zero commission model has been launched? So that the final pricing to the customer, it should not go beyond a certain limit. Moving on to our next question. Very recently, we have celebrated the World Hemophilia Day. Okay, on 17th April. 17th April, we have celebrated the World Hemophilia Day, 17th April 2024. Now, what is the theme of the World Hemophilia Day? Yes. Now, this day serves as a platform to elevate awareness about hemophilia, its impact, the challenges faced by individuals who are living with this condition. Hemophilia kya hai? It's also called as sickle cell anemia. Like we have the shape of their red cell, it is sickle shaped, because of which it keeps on dying, and they have to replenish that by blood transfusion. There is no other way. It's a genetic disease. Few people, they are carriers, in which they won't have any impact on their health, but those who are affected with this, they have to undergo blood transfusion, which is a very painful process, and availability of the blood of that group, etc., managing everything, it's really cumbersome. So for which various organizations are working towards providing help to these people who are facing having this hemophilia. And the theme for this year is equitable access for all, recognizing all bleeding disorders. So here organizations, medical professionals, communities worldwide come together on World Hemophilia Day to promote education, support research, and advocate for better healthcare policies to improve the quality of life for individuals who are affected with hemophilia and its related conditions. There are various other diseases associated on the same lines like hemophilia. Okay, now another one, April 18th, we have celebrated World Heritage Day, which is also known as the International Day of Monuments and Sites. Now this was celebrated on April 18th, and the theme for 2024 is disasters and conflicts through the lens of Venice Charter. Venice Charter is the one they worked on the whenever wars etc. that happen, there should not be any damage that to be done to the heritage monuments and sites. So here the same thing they have highlighted here, because of the kind of situation that we are going through, like this Ukraine Russia war, or this Iran Israel conflict. So for all that, they have highlighted this, so that those who are involved in that, they would honor this charter's decision. Moving on to our next question. Who has been named as a 2024 Young Global Leader by the World Economic Forum? Yes. Very recently, World Economic Forum has named one of these persons as the 2024 Young Global Leader, owing to the kind of work that this person is doing in the field of business. And she is none other than Advaita Nair, who happens to be the CEO and co-founder of Nykaa Fashion. Okay, so because of her exceptional accomplishments as a trailblazer and entrepreneur, cementing her position among the world's most influential young leaders. Moving on to our next question. Very recently, the data has been released on the number of passengers that have been using various airports, that is the busiest airports worldwide. And in the top, from India, this Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport has made it to the, अगर इंडिया में देखें तो it is number 1 busiest airports, but in the world what is its rank? So which position did Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport secure in the rankings for the busiest airports worldwide in 2023? Now, the data has been released by the Airports Council International. Airports Council International, it's an organization, and very recently they have revealed the rankings of the busiest airports worldwide that were in 2023, and this has given the first rank goes to Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, US. And India's Indira Gandhi International Airport made it to 10th rank. Okay, it had 17th rank in 2019 and 10th in 2023. As I have said, the AC has reported that Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, it is number one busiest airport in the world, and Dubai International Airport is number 2. Okay, so moving on to our next question. Who will be honored with the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award in 2024? In 2022, okay, on Feb 6th, the great Lata Mangeshkar, she has passed away. Okay, in her name, this award has been instituted in the same year, and in 2022, this award has been given away to our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. In 2023, the award has been given away to Lata Mangeshkar's sister, Asha Bhosle, and this year, they are going to honor, in memory of her, they will be honoring, one eminent personality, and who are contributing to the nation, its people, society as a whole. And here this year it is going to be given to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, again one veteran actor from India. Okay, as I have said, she has passed away on Feb 6, 2022. In the same year they have instituted this award. 22 Mr. Narendra Modi, and 23 Asha Bhosle, this award has been given. Okay, so this is all from my end. Thank you very much for being with me so patiently, and please don't forget to like this session and share this session with your friends as well. See you all tomorrow then, same time. But before that, yes, today I won't be able to take the schemes part, but tomorrow I'll take, and I'll compensate that, because every week we have 5 sessions, right? 3 schemes, 2 reports, or 2 schemes, 2 reports, 1 any session associated with the doubts, etc., based on the doubts, etc. I generally focus on that. So, but this week I'll not be able to take today, but I'll compensate that by taking the session, an extra session on Saturdays. Okay, so please sending me your suggestions related to the schemes and reports, so that I can incorporate them in these sessions. Though I have been doing that based on the current affairs only, I'm picking the schemes, etc., from them, but still, if you have any specific request, you can please let me know, so that I can incorporate them. Thank you very much once again. Have a great day ahead. Please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.